This video will show you the step-by-step instructions on how to install the QuickBOLT direct-to-deck mount. We include 4 screws with each mount. You're going to need a 1/2-inch hex driver and some sealant to install this product. Decide where you want to install the first mount. Run a line across the roof. Don't worry about finding the rafter, because we go right into the deck. Place a bead of sealant around the outer edge of the bottom of the mount. Press down, lining up the 90-degree portion with the line. Drive the first screw in and make sure it is lined up with the line. Once you're sure it lines up, then run your second screw in the opposite side as the first screw. Run the remaining 2 screws, and now your mount is ready to attach your rail. You can find this product and all of our mounts at QuickBOLT.com.